Hey guys, welcome to your channel, and in this video we are going to discuss some popular myths regarding answer writing. These myths have been traditionally passed from one generation to another generation, somehow harming your personality traits or harming your preparation process. So in this video I am going to point out some 5 popular myths regarding answer writing. I have tried to bust down these popular myths. Apart from that, you can also use your own reason to justify them. So let's see what are those popular myths. Number 1 myth is only bullet points. This is a very popular myth that if you are writing answers in UPSC mains, that you have to write only bullet points. This is the only way to bring more marks. But there is no scientific data or there is no proven fact that only bullet points bring marks. But the reason is that when you're writing answer in bullet points, it gives a clear-cut or transparent visual effect to the eyes of the examiner, and as well as it is also time-saving. But that does not mean that you have to write only bullet points or only answers written in bullet points bring marks. Writing answers in bullet points also save you from the crap of the language. Right, so a clear-cut and time-saving process is obviously bullet point answer, but you cannot exclusively say that only answers written in bullet point is more effective. Number 2, only science students get more marks in answers. This has been also traditionally passed from one generation to another generation, and recently it has been in you can say it's getting much more popularity. The reason is that sometimes science students, what did they do? They give a very transparent thought process and their thinking process is to the point. They do not write the craps in an answer. But in arts students, regarding arts students, I am not telling all the students from arts stream, but many students from the arts stream, they have not been able to recover themselves. They have not been able to get rid themselves of the college level writing process. That means prior to 2 or 3 days of the exam, they generally revise the notebooks, and they instead of following a particular structure of the answer writing, they generally put up a very story type answer writing, putting up everything whether it is necessary or unnecessary. This is the science students get good marks does not mean that the arts student will not get good marks. The reason is that the students from arts stream have a tendency to write everything regardless it is necessary or unnecessary, because they derive this habit from their college or university days. So if you can if any student can get rid of this process, this habit of writing necessary or unnecessary, eventually writing a story ending a story type answer, you can also any student from any stream can get good marks. Right. Then again, another myth is that only current affairs. That means you have to fill up your answer with current affairs only. This is also a very popular or false you can say false notion regarding answer writing. The reason is that everyone says, because it is traditionally said that current affairs is the dynamic process, right? The dynamic part of the UPSC syllabus is current affairs. There is no doubt that current affairs plays a very pivotal role, very vital role, but it does not mean that your answer has to be only from the current affairs. There is a particular process of the answer writing. I have already told you that where you have to add facts or where you have to add the current affairs. The context, the background part of the any question has to be static. That means from where the current affairs are asking. There are millions of current affairs every day happening, but UPSC is not asking everything. UPSC has asked some current affairs to you because there is that context is from the syllabus, and while you are writing answers, you must have to mention that context, and where you will derive that context from, obviously it will get derived from the static part. So static and current affairs both actually plays a pivotal role in answers. Now, another myth is that no need to be correct in spelling and grammar. I don't know, I have heard this among my students, but there is no source, there is no origin. You are a civil servant, a responsible person. You think yourself, will UPSC give you marks if you have not been able to write properly from grammatical point of view, or you have not been able to write a proper spelling? You can think it yourself, right? Then another myth is that the good handwriting, that someone says that your handwriting has to be very beautiful. No, there is nothing like that. Yes, but your handwriting has to be visible to the eyes of the examiner. So these are the some popular myths carried among the UPSC aspirants I have tried to point out. I'll come again with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.